Okay, Becca, what are we going to do tonight?
Reservation.
Yeah.
Yep, we're going to a wedding, aren't we?
And what's her name gonna be, Becca?
Lenny K. Nicholson.
Yes. Ben's getting ready for the big day, and Mama Melanie's keeping an eye on him, make sure he does everything right.
To be successful in this marriage, you must put God first. You must love Him, and you must love each other and encourage each other in a growing personal relationship with Jesus Christ. And because of that, you must love your spouse with steadfast love. The Bible illustrates it best in the famous love passage. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, and it is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no records of wrong. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. And the greatest of these is love. Well, by the vows that you have just made, and by the power vested in me, I pronounce you husband and wife. Then you can kiss your bride. And now, introducing, for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Nickerson.
I've always admired Lainey and Ben's love for each other and their commitment to God. I have proudly told numerous people that Lainey and Ben's relationship is the epitome of true love. He is the one for whom my sister still loves, and for that I am always grateful. I could not ask for a better man for my sister. Ben, thank you for always being so patient, caring, and loving to Lainey. I'm so happy to officially have you as a brother. Congratulations, Lainey and Ben, and Godspeed.
You must be my once in a lifetime.